Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how to rehydrate an inflatable monotub. I usually like to rehydrate my capes after they have fully flushed or start to look dry. First, I remove the liner. I've tried rehydrating with it on, but it usually starts to fall off anyway, so I just take it off at the beginning. Make sure your cake is solid and holding together well. If it's crumbling or too soft, it might be too fragile to rehydrate. Next, it's time to rehydrate the cake. Start by filling your inflatable monotub with water. As you do, the cake will float to the top. Gently press down to check if it's fully submerged. You'll need a second tote to help weigh it down. I use a 27-quart Sterilite tub. Once it's ready, place the second tote over the cake and begin filling it with water to weigh down the cake. Try to center it as best as you can. Once the cake is completely submerged, let it soak for 1 hour. After an hour, carefully remove the top tote and pour out the water. Then use the built-in drain to get rid of any remaining water. Try to drain it as completely as possible. After draining the tub, plug the drain, put the lid back on, and move your tub back into your grow room. Then insert all the plugs to raise the humidity. During the winter months, I sometimes leave the plugs in the entire cycle to help maintain adequate humidity. If the tub appears to be drying out at any point, leave the plugs in to boost humidity. The following days, you should see new condensation forming on the walls of the tub. Within approximately 7 to 14 days, you should see a new flush develop. And that's it. Rehydrating is a simple step that can help extend the life of your grow. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at ashley@boomershroomer.com. Thank you. Bye.